Salmon, the ugly mermaid of the sea. I don't want you to be afraid of this. It's fun, it's delicious, and it's easy. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your salmon fillet, you're gonna put it on parchment paper or tin foil, something for an easy cleanup. You're then gonna check the thickness, because that's how you know the time. Your little finger, it's about an inch. This is about an inch. That means 8 to 10 minutes in the oven at 350. Oh, I forgot to tell you. If your fish is not all the same size, that's cool. You flip it over, adjust the thickness, boom, no problem. Next, what you're gonna do is pop it in the oven. Oh wait, no, I forgot. You know what we should do? Slather it with herbed butter. Now you're ready to go, and this is gonna go in the oven. Ta-da! And you have your perfect salmon. Not intimidating, totally delicious. Check out the recipe below.